Most CVT transmissions don't fail because they're weak or poorly engineered. They fail because of daily habits owners don't even realize are damaging them. If you drive a Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Subaru, or any modern car with a CVT, one of these habits could already be cutting years off your transmission's life, without a single warning light. Habit number 1. Hard launches from a stop. CVTs don't shift gears. They rely on a high-tension steel belt clamped between pulleys. Every time you floor it from a red light, that belt is forced to grab instantly under massive pressure. Over time, the belt stretches, the pulleys glaze, and the transmission loses its ability to hold torque. It still drives fine, until one day it doesn't. Habit number 2. Aggressive passing and constant high RPM driving. Holding high revs for long periods builds extreme heat inside a CVT. Heat is the silent killer. Once temperatures climb, the fluid thins, lubrication drops, and internal wear accelerates fast. You won't feel this damage happening, but the transmission will remember it. Habit number 3. Towing, hauling, or overloading. CVTs are designed for efficiency, not heavy work. Extra weight forces the pulleys to clamp harder than they were designed to, creating stress that compounds with heat. Even occasional towing can shorten a CVT's lifespan dramatically if there's no auxiliary cooling. Habit number 4. Trusting lifetime fluid claims. CVT fluid breaks down quicker than traditional automatic fluid. It absorbs heat, collects metal particles, and loses its protective properties. Skipping fluid changes is one of the biggest reasons CVTs fail before 50,000 miles. Fresh fluid isn't optional, it's survival. Habit number 5. Creeping in traffic using the gas and brake together. That smooth, slow crawl keeps the belt under constant tension with no chance to cool. Over thousands of miles, this causes shuddering, hesitation, and delayed response. Early symptoms most drivers ignore. Habit number 6. Driving through warning signs. Shaking on light acceleration. Delayed engagement. High RPM with little movement. These aren't normal CVT behavior. They're the transmission begging for attention. Ignore them, and the repair window slams shut. Here's the reality. CVTs don't die suddenly. They wear down quietly, mile by mile, habit by habit, until one day the car just stops moving. If you want your CVT to survive past 100,000 miles, drive smoothly, manage heat, change the fluid, and respect its limits. And here's the part most people never realize. The damage you're doing today won't show up tomorrow or even next month. CVTs fail on delay. By the time a mechanic hears the noise or feels the slip, the internal belt and pulleys are already scarred. That's why so many owners say, "It was fine yesterday." It wasn't. The bill was just loading. Because CVTs don't forgive abuse. They record it. If this saved you thousands, hit like, subscribe to Mr. Detail Car Review, and comment CVT so you never make these mistakes again.